Hey, what's up guys. On this one I want to show you guys how you can actually buy some ADA Cardona. Cardona is one of those biggest coins that are promising when you actually look at the time of the month. Right now it's on the 13th, so yesterday they were launching their smart contracts. So this is probably going to be one of the biggest coins. So they promised to launch some smart contract yesterday, but I haven't heard of the news if that actually happened. But you can actually look that up so that you can actually understand what's actually going on in that world of crypto, guys. So what I actually want to show you guys how you can actually be able to buy this coin while it is still very early, because I think it hasn't even done anything when it comes into the bull run. So what we're actually going to do now, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually buy this coin. So as you can actually see, this interface that I'm on right now, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually get onto here. You're actually just going to come onto wallets and then see some fiat and spot. You hit this one and then it's going to land you here. As I just assume that you already have something that you already bought, you're just going to see what you hear. If you don't, you're actually going to have to deposit some money into here so that you can use bank deposit, you can use credit or debit card, you can use P2P or third-party payment, or you can just use the currency that you have from the exchange that you have there, and then you can actually just send it onto here. So as you actually see, there is a deposit which you're going to see onto the other side, and then you're actually going to see here, as you can actually see, there's a buy here which you can actually going to hit onto it, this buy. So we can actually see what it's actually going to see. As you can okay, I think this is going to confuse you a little bit. So we're just gonna show you just a quick way which you can actually use, so you can actually see. So as we are here again, we're just going to go on to the convert one, and then because you will have to send it into here, whatever that coin you have, you're just going to send it over this side. I have a video for you if you want to know how to be able to send some crypto from another wallet into another one. I will put that video on top right there so that you can actually see, and then you can actually watch that one. So we actually gonna come onto here, so we'll go to see onto convert, as you can actually see right there, and then we're gonna come onto here, and then you're probably going to have some USDT right there. So what you're actually going to do, just gonna wait for it to all load, and then so let's say you have some USDT which is going to be populating this part of this, and then you're actually gonna come onto right here, and then you're gonna search for ADA, that ADA, and then you just gonna hit here, and then it's going to show you how much you're actually going to have depending on how much USDT you have, and then it's going to come on to populate this part, and then you just hit convert, and then boom, you have your ADA, and then you can just wait and see when the ADA goes on to the moon, guys. So that's how you actually buy the ADA coin, guys. So I will see you on the next one. This is going to be a ciao.